E ko ni wa gbe ku ye wo. Wọ́n ma be mu e king. Na afi pe king. What's in kana igbe? You no fear, you king. You know the person when go down. It is a okay, you see I short, you know where I be. Big small body, big age as is that. You don't know who be the call Frank Victor like person. If you know where I be, you know open mouth mention my name for anybody platform with the Chris. Say Frank Victor, I am reporting from your sugar mommy platform. She said here no get go let you toast our daughter. Say whether you want by. I want Ade Chris. I want to toast our daughter. I demand toast our daughter. Toast chipazi. I demand. Ade Chris. They brought me where? Why would I toast chipazi? Am I man? I'm the animal. Go and sit down. Now because you know, go and pay. You go search for. No. You know our Facebook. Go check what you the picture. Ade Chris. I go for sexy women, smart, smooth, fresh, gorgeous, pretty, lovely, sexy, smooth women. Not be old cargo, like younger be old. Toby John, stay one leo. You don't have to go. Toby John, how you tell no say it's sweet? You are a dangerous person. You are a calm person. You want run? You want run? I want you. Hey, are you boy? Toby John. You are a suspect. You are a suspect. I'm suspecting you. I go find you. The Africa shop. I go back to Africa shop. The Africa shop. And they one of the only Africa shop in Palestine, Roma. That's the Kester shop. And they are this so. See ya. Heavy arrow. Na Kester shop I did for Palestine. Ciao. There, equizozi. Ebi na yakube gwa yare mo. The guy carrying Nigeria come Europe, na the year. Anything we defend Milo, Shoko Milo, Bovita, oil, Ghana oil, Nigeria oil, everything, Okomu oil, every year. Indomie, cowbell, everything, Mogbo, Nestle, every geisha, shark geisha, Maggi, tomatoes, every year, Mogbo, beans, rice, umeo, semo, ogbolo, egusi, every year. Agwa le bia ejin wi gwa lo ya ware ma ugwa le kan you need that go see am for here you only back what you call doggy where you give me you we hate if you ya wu ya munu ye we pata you carry what to go oko no come we do that lo me oko ni agbiti enu oko no le clay baba uke gba ko ya pe ko wen ewe ye bozo ni po ye musi watama mena o menwe ya no wetin dey talk we no we up we ko ye try we ni kenya me la no ye gba ko you ni because we ni clean gbe ohun yan ye sen o that gbe be ye me like ho o awin we no fian kam ahun agba kan yi sister ya la won ya bi ya gba o re mo na wo de gburu fe yo wa be lie. You know, like him. One way when the woman man like him, I told him, "Man, do I this you one way? I be holy man. My holy my brother. I'm a married man. Why I want him? One way Frank is a very sincere and a very honest person. You know they get her because they pretend. You understand? She knows me too well. You throw me to my woman sis now. Say self-claim marriage, self-marriage. What me as the big og me and baby see. Na me not na me plan see na no want. About half now. Really yeah. We now. What me and baby see. Mama how much we no want it. I don't want to come. Man let her do. Come my wife get everything to take bitter. Every year no good no go come. When you not see her because why you are useless woman. She was angry. I don't know how to just one boy. And we are over here. And no get over here over your team. Or my boy because why? Make carry word Diane. You understand again? I go my boy. Enough was a sorting man. Father-in-law and mother-in-law. My wife not taking place. Enough. I swear to God to my today. No gay. A woman, you don't get our grudges for my say. He hates to do it. I will remember anywhere we no gay. No gay way. He are remake women. Me or woman like we no gay way. I will remember. Even way we no gay. No gay way. Then you find me no give up one. I go look at your laugh. I will see I. We see no your bed within your see I. See I. You way. Anyway, oh, well, you understand. A Facebook them you know I go on now you do me and I will go I'm very bad. Oh, I better carry where they go and you know where the me what they better your winning when do I roll or women una roll your one una roll it I would say it's your one if you get one na rubian una roll you can go me go you una roll you dage imagine what you want. Let me carry over you where of your family winner. It's a different case. Where you they insult me. Just because me and you friends. That was the reason why I want to be a large generation. You know what you when you are zoo you know no see I. No, you do big past that one. Love it no my school. Love it no little like no have they say. Yes sir.
Delivery. Ma ci vuole troppo, la pizza a volte si apre.
No, bella, adesso mi muoio che vedo dogun. Mi nero.
Ispirata alla tradizione napoletana con
Nero. How you dig be dogun ya ho. Ko no dig be. Ayo dogun ya ho, ko ne gbe Europe. Yeah, vi yan ti e lo win. On mi lete ki ale je na yo dogun ho. Woni to re gbe wa yan gwo rin ape ko yo dogun ho yan. Despite where we know. Despite where we work quality, you understand? I mean where we men soto, we man soto. Everybody soto. The major part of it, the major truth of it where our woman. Oh, ya bien no. I know ya bien no bia. You understand? Man why me sound because man knows you buy motor gbera. Understand? And I must say, I'm not a security license. I'm a boy, young bear, young zoo. Young man, they may take you when I see. You know why we don't ban you. What is warrior? I mean, what are blocking and then you see a message in here, not sending in here reply. You understand? We're not good message anywhere. Your leg reach ground. My brother, frankly, Osazua, oh, we never was so tall. Oh, we must have here. You got a am I robots? We must so tall. Oh, then they are turning him. It's a good imagine on now. Then I you are saga one. A man of stone. When we retire, kiss of the or the dog ball. We see for it. Yeah, like who if I like. I'm not dog boy, I like. We are answer ya we especially when I'm going ogun ogboboni gbe ya and ogun mo ogboboni When you may want to but them up your body see. Body my who solve it only but go and ask. A joke. So it's not like. So that is the reason why this video I'm doing it legitly. First of all, let me say congratulations to all the retired members, you know, all the retired members of the gang. You understand? We got a victory today, you understand? Vivian Raymond in the court right now. Now, your dig bin or what do we so we was to my brother? We went to very king. Whether if you already so yellow baby because why? Who have you already so which is size 11, much size 11. Definitely Odika, but feeling telling my guy, I boy. Definitely when you stand here out of where I go. Where did you go? We boy talk. When I will tell you now. So definitely we mess to even mess to only questions. You understand? So a lot of no mama will tell you. No, not the way or the name. I think I was around. I only have with money married him. Don't marry him again. Yes, that's the truth. Understand? It mean actually me what so I go. So as I said before, Saga go me okay. I told you like be. Spelling what could send my way done again. I love it. No answer to the room. Many things. Okay, she's not from the village. She's claiming. They're going to eat, love it. See, she's not from the village. She's claiming. Tell us the village is from. He said, but you say you think about that woman. Talking now. Talking. Yeah, that's true. You understand where Ben Peko no guys is that. Peko egbe boy o do ya we ko me wade Roma do go go Roma. Peko no ga. Oh, why dey gbe wa ami yin na bona mgbo yi. Na we do go go we ya ni Peko no ga. Peko ziga. Why really live video? Peko ziga. Peko de la ni gbe na do ye ku e wa le kian Peko. Ye de amu e. We control me Peko, we control me. Ogo abi to agbe Peko ni me ka saga when we kedo we are wetu me la jan we Roma. Age mi we Roma. Peko we yari ko be bejo a. Bad guy. This is that. Peko. We are here we call him me Roma. Yeah? I mean where? You wale. Peko. What's in there? What's in the video? Where was feeling ya good? I went a weekend, the weekend. We remember the last time we have your where. And we can wear the you will what you with you. Oh, you know, one more dealing ya saga. Oh my god. I need my video. Peko. Peko na dono for Roma here. You are a gbele yin wa lock up. We no want to comment here now. Ya go. Ya na we. We frank we. There we are what wagi. We frank muja. Okay, you call her to ask her who her father. She was confused. My brother, if my brother, my sister. See, a Lovetti. No, when you let it care lead. Oh, we no know that woman. Na me no. Oh, yeah, me here ta. That's why me and she they call. There are things I need to reserve. As a man, I'm not going to talk everything. No. It will break down my personality because I'm not a married man and I still get other people that are looking up to me. It's time. So I cannot say everything. I just have to keep some respect. But the disgrace that she needed, that people would like to see or hear. Because now me and she do things. Now she's going to talk anyhow. So I have to let the whole world know. The problem between me and she. It's time. Now I don't like saga my love. Imana saga ge oguna ya nyeke. Nmi wari okwe nya, you know so me yaro. Imari okwe ge oguna nyimu ma. Okay na we viogbe woto. So when you go le saga. Only popular no platform no get. We viogbe nya why go yedo. You know say this kind of a situation not supposed to be like this. Based on I don't be close to somebody. What? Somebody husband. Oh God. But they belong to somebody's husband. I'm not because somebody's husband because if I they fool her like this anyhow, they'll call the user eye they look my wife. Not understand. Always weather will as some of the people will be also say. You understand? But my wife know everything we play. That's one thing about man. If you are a honest man, be honest with your woman or with your spouse. Whoever you are going out with, you sincerely know okay. We understand? Yeah, we have all secrets that we keep from women. No matter how the woman will love the woman, they say, oh, there are still some tiny secrets. We say you go one hide for that woman. You understand? Because of who else your man? Yes, he sent you before. I always take that word. But and I love that they talk and so my wife they watch me. You understand? Anything we concern me, let love the no one my wife don't know. Also, you kill this one second little. She they stop me. She has been stopping me. Now I am no frank now. I know they tolerate nonsense. No me. My friends know me say, okay, wow, okay, we bend. Frank bend no ne. I go bend for you. But to God be the glory. You know, man, who know the patience. Who know the patience. You understand? Woman where they feel the tolerate, they feel the patient for things, you understand? They consume say I now. I've been saying it. Now she the always say CIA. Forget her. I'll be your ass. She go definitely vex now. Almost to die now. She must pain her. Now human be she be now. She go pain her. Forget her. And she's doing it all these things. All of them saga Yuri, saga this one, saga Jebo, saga this one, and at the end of the day, it's the crap of front break. We saga Yuri, what damn you? We saga Jebo, wake you memoir. No one come away, see a Jebo I, see Yuri I. The people are not getting no one will be sleeping in the verse. Wake Boma. Men we do our care come away. See one eye, who respect me as a man. Ik me go have been you are a motherfucker. As I say him work butore. He way is something where you come. I make you come. I can respect me. You heal la hell, imala la hell, yeke well, you boy as is your boy yo, is your way yo. Respect me as a man. You understand? My sister, okbeni aketa gwi la luhe na aketa gwi la luhe okbeni aketa. So no we here no tana ma fig nete. Ene me no kian u ila luhe we not clear la lo you we no we are. You understand? I don't unu gba woni ya go ni ka ya sin one. O ken we yes gba kan yo master. E we bu ogon gbaze. Iya do amwele, iya do you are to ido hunda we do aso ato ogia izuo. Yeti hunda we to ogia. You understand? So my sister, tell my baby live video. Saga them with truth. Now me call the respect where I give my wife, let me put never saga this woman since then. Not be joke. You don't respect them, know man. And my other friends and well wishers and my fans, my lovely women who out there, who are so much love and cherish. Or see a man as a guy, a woman as is there. When a woman will come, before you see me come live video today, yesterday, I don't go take permission, receipt of permission. Here, babe, forget Amo. A woman of one. Now she has moved to my enemy kingdom. Say she get evidence to write this kind of comments where you write here. Definitely you know her page. Peradventure, maybe she's your mama. You understand? You believe in her. You see all those women who don't believe on her person, they knock, now they carry the sleep for granted, they wipe them. Those women who they call God, mother, God, sister, God, a person they carry the sleep for granted, they wipe them. So guys, respect yourself. When you are writing comments, write your comments where I'm the king of social media, don't tolerate no any hand nonsense. I feel block you. And you don't go for watch me again. Very important. I'm not stupid. Put on one again. That one, that's our own. Our own, that put our own. No. I'm not going to promote your own, I'm going to promote other person. You. It's going to promote our song now. Now you're supposed to play. Yes, now. And you're the promoter of music now. I already promote another person when you get a musician. Now this kind of song, then I cost for them. Where are they so? That woman will call you come buy that bag of rice and that Vecchio Romania. That is the second for social media since how many days now? That fat or where I can't come. Now she now. And this kind of song that cost problem. Say I go marry him and I go marry that person. That's problem. Voila. I go marry that person. What's the problem? My brother, my old, did that, don't be loud. You know easy. I need to sex work. Now yes, you buy the vehicle that day. Huh? Well, I did buy a dog for your own dog. You know what you want your dog do? Now walk. One. Oh, Jessica, so you don't know where. Oh, sorry, Jessica. God's will. Jessica, very sorry, Say you don't know why they talk to. Very sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry about that. If my speech gets you offended, I'm sorry about that. Okay, I didn't know you were a newcomer. You didn't know what is happening. Very sorry about that. Okay. No verse. Now one woman they call Mommy Let Ekia lead. I want to make you know. Can you call Mommy Let Love lead? Maybe you go know on Facebook. Go they for spin papillona. When you come fuck my bola, they call it Wowo for live video. You know how they do before. After they don't lash me feeling, they call it craze for media. Or they confess their sin. Now I mean I ain't there here. I don't want to log the issue. And I will say I agree to you. I see your face. And I will see where they can wear you wear. And I will see you are a character. With a way that I will say you yourself you be character, you be case. And I will see play voice record there. If I play I will see voice record now. All of now for gonna go laugh. And I will say, well I'm here where I may yare what we are with now. Oh getting it take better. Oh, hey, hey, group. No, and I was enough. I respect you, that's all. You understand? Normal level, we're supposed to be respecting our women, but some of them are they are embarrassing themselves. You understand? They are embarrassing themselves. So they're going to make a little like, say, maybe, and I'm not responsible. You understand? While watching now, when Mommy Let It Kill was now, you know, I quiet is them. People going to think she would threaten me or we blackmailing even in my or we were. So let us be frank to ourselves. People will think now say, hey, Frankie, I'm not done, or who do our time with live video. What makes you think we're here with the saga where when we're toasting now, when we're friendly now? Have it in mind. In case one toast mommy lovely, or in case one way mommy lovely, I toast if about that toast be. In case we mommy let love lead. I have numerous women, proudness, I brag. The my wife has a boss. Don't mind that media. We go marry them, cherish them, cater for them, bless them, and I also pray for them. Anytime when they get, let me talk about. Anytime they get husband, they want my head. Call me. I will bless you. Media. No, we'll do on the low key. We'll do on the low key, normal levels. You understand? DNA is you guys strike, make a strike. You understand? And you know the story now. No shaking. Yeah, strike, must strike. This is your mother's strike, but you're the lucky with the observe. Where did you You want run? How mana?
Today will be tomorrow. Guest and one name.
Now say you're B. You never understand this guy. Na character. As you see so. Na case. No small you go to understand na case. You never know. If you know, you never know innocent. Innocent na character. For this Roman, na character you see so. You just have to learn how to understand this man. And if you understand, you go enjoy now. You know the way he stands put.
Yes, you pay according to the kg,
kilogram. You say you pay according to the kg, the kilogram. See Morocco. You see, all this one is Morocco, this one is plantain. No matter or ripe plantain, see yam. This one is yam. This one is pepper. You define goat head, now goat head. See woo for women. What they play to the hair? See, every year whatever. You understand? You see, every year whatever. You want? See, everything you define jello. You want to touch your hair? You find relaxer, perfume, brush, original strong brush. See, you see, original black, everything. See, Odudu Osu, see, Odudu Osu. This is Odudu Osu from Nigeria. Black soap. Yes, nah. Every year on everything day. See, you go close. You see, na custard. Why the custard you go fast? All this one go for black boy. Indomie, they already see Indomie. If you chop custard, now your boyfriend they lose weight, give him custard. Not to give him custard. Not be joke. I not the cap. See, if your boyfriend they lose weight, your boyfriend they knock well, give him custard. Mix am with this kind of milk. Custard and this milk, my brother. If he fire you, you go hey. Not be joke. I'm not gonna laugh. Not be. Yes, now see any banga with the day here now. Not be joke, bro. So this way I just not be joke. Custard and milk. When your man they lose weight. But if you give him, if you drink, when you go custard and milk.
This will not be Monster Guinness and milk.
And Monster Guinness, that one I just for to get strength.
Okay, for blood.
But this one, sperm will gather. Bola go stand. Don't go play. If you want finish one, you carry heavy duty. Just buy Odogu bitter. Miss Anjona, Baba. Don't go play. And don't go face where you are a man of God. 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 Those that have tested, there are people that can testify. You understand? They laugh. Not be joke. Not reality. If you look like stupidity.